QuickBooks doesn't have to be scary. Think of it as your accounting sidekick. Step 1. Pick the right QuickBooks version now. Choose Simple for freelancers and solo business owners. Pick QuickBooks Plus for growing small businesses to scale. Create your company profile in QuickBooks accurately now. Enter your business name exactly as registered officially. Add your business address, city, and postal code. Set your fiscal year accurately. This is the accounting backbone. Step 3. Connect your bank and credit card accounts. This syncs transactions so you're not entering everything manually. Automation will save time and become your best friend. Then set up your chart of accounts now. Include payroll accounts to track employee wages and taxes. Add rent expense accounts for office or property rent. Add sales accounts, use defaults if unsure, customize later. Create a clean invoice template matching your brand. Add your logo to invoices for a professional look. Professional invoices lead to faster client payments overall. Start categorizing expenses right away for clarity today. Consistent tags make taxes and reporting painless later. Every month, reconcile your accounts in QuickBooks regularly. Match bank statements to QuickBooks transactions to verify accuracy. Reconciliation catches mistakes and keeps your books honest. Run 2 reports regularly for clear financial insight. Profit and loss shows if your business is making money. Balance sheet checks overall financial health and stability. Enable automatic backups. Invite your accountant with limited access. Use mobile receipts and the support community if you get stuck. Set aside 1 hour this weekend and hit subscribe for more quick wins.